This is one of my favorite keys, G major and E minor, because so many songs are written in this key. It's just a lot of fun. Yeah, minor is a lot of fun. G major is a lot of fun. But let's practice constructing the major scale and then finding the relative minor again. So if we want the G major, we go up a whole to A, then we go up a whole to B, and we go half to C, so B to C is a half step. Then we go up another whole to D, another whole to E, and then we go up a whole. Now we know that E and F are half steps, and two half steps make a whole step. So we go to E to F for a half step, and F to this note, and then half step to G. Now, what's this note? Whenever we go from a white key to black, all these white keys, are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. The black keys are either sharps or flats. And a sharp means to go up a half step, and a flat means to go down a half step. So up is, this way on the keyboard, and down is that way on the keyboard. So if we're here at F, and we play this note, it should be F sharp. Now, you might be asking yourself, why isn't it G flat? Well, the reason being is because we're in the key of G. So we have G, A, B, C, D, E. We have to have some kind of F because we have to have all the letters of the musical alphabet in these scales. So G, A, B, C, D, E, some kind of F, which is F sharp, G. It couldn't be E, G flat, G, because that would just get way too confusing when you wrote music. Is it a G or is it a G flat? So it's an F sharp, G. So we have one sharp in this scale. So G major. The G major scale is G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, and it's the same fingering as the C major. So we want to do those 3 plus 5 or 5 plus 3 things. 1, 2, 3, thumb under, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just don't want to forget that F sharp. Left hand would be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then third over. And don't forget that F sharp. Now how about the mirrored scale? The mirrored scale is a little bit harder. You just have to remember the F sharp. You can get it. It's just going to take a little while to get used to. But it is a little easier because, of course, your fingers are doing the same thing. Your brain doesn't have to work as hard. Now, when we do the parallel, it's just the same fingering as the C scale. Right hand moves, left hand moves, and then be sure to play the F sharp together. Now, why do we do these fingerings? Because on some song you might have to go. In a song, then once you realize, you look at the song and go, hey, that's just a G scale all over the place, then you know. That you know the fingering of the G scale, so you just have to follow the scale, follow the pattern. It makes music a lot easier to play. So let's find its relative minor. So remember, once we find the major, we can go up 6, or we can go down the scale 3, because you end up in the same place. Let's look. We have G, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we went up 6 notes up the scale. So we're going to be dealing with E minor. But let's go 3 notes down the scale. Remember the scale is G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. So G, F sharp, E. 3 notes down the scale. So either up 6 or down 3. 3 notes of the scale, not half steps or whole steps, just 3 notes of the scale. So now we're on E minor. So E minor is a great sounding key. Very dark sounding. A lot of fun to play. So we follow the same notes as the G major scale, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. We just start on E, and it's the same fingering as the A minor scale. So kind of easy that way. Then mirror. I think that sounds so cool in the middle right here. And then E minor, kind of like motion, parallel motion. E minor is a lot of fun. It's a very fun key, and so get to know it. G major and relative E minor. If you have any questions, just contact me through the website. You can subscribe to this because we're going to be doing all the major and minors and showing you how to play them, how to do the fingering. And you can subscribe at the YouTube channel, or you can go to visionaries.org, log in with your Facebook account, and you'll be notified whenever we upload and do another video on scales. And we have plenty of other videos at the website as well. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.